for the sake of today's video, I am currently using a very unstable tripod, and I hope that my camera does not fall mid-video, but let's just go ahead and get in today's video.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just hear those.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Anna Michelle and I am back with another video, and on this channel we grow together on YouTube. Today is day 2 in my 12 days of content and I am very excited that I made it this far in my series. I'm so excited. But today, as you guys can tell by the title, I will be comparing and reviewing my old tripod to my new tripod. It's the same brand that I use, but I just got an upgrade. Now, I talk about this a lot in my videos. The gear that I say in my videos, you do not have to purchase this when you start creating a YouTube channel the second you create it. You don't. Like I say all the time, you can use your phone and you can prop your phone up against a window, or even if you have a camera, you can prop your camera against a window, a bookshelf, a stack of books, and there you go. That's your makeshift tripod. Don't be ashamed of that, because when you look back on it, you will 1, be saving money, and 2, be innovating new ways to film your YouTube videos. The first tripod that I'll be talking about today is my old tripod, and it is my Joby 1K kit tripod. When I first purchased this tripod, I absolutely love it, and even today I still love this tripod. I love this brand in general because I feel like their tripods are very sturdy and durable, but this tripod is a flexible mini tripod with a plastic ball head. It holds up to 2.2 pounds. It's good for photography, videography, vlogging, and live streams. It's easy to grip, wrap, or stand. That's the cool thing about Joby Gorilla Pods in general, is that you can move the legs on the tripod and you can move them and wrap them around poles and trees and benches. Let's say you're like a skateboarder and you like to film content about that. You can set it places and literally maneuver it any way you want to. I loved this tripod when I purchased it, and I literally just stopped using it, about a week ago. And that's because I have a $400 camera that I use to film my videos, and this tripod was proving to be a little unstable for me. You see the legs are a little bit more wobbly, and I don't even wrap it around things a lot, and the legs are starting to be wobbly. And another crazy thing about it is that this happens, and I'm like, no, I think I need to go ahead and upgrade my tripod. Another thing that I don't necessarily love about this tripod, 2 things actually, is 1, that the ball head on this tripod is plastic and it moves around a whole lot more than my new one. And also, one thing I don't like about this tripod is that I have to keep screwing and unscrewing my camera onto this tripod. Now, if you're a large creator or a big creator, you know, stuff like that matters, and I'm learning that it kind of matters to me. But if you're a small creator, twisting your camera on and off, that's not such a big deal, but I'm realizing it's a big deal for me when I am, let's say I'm out vlogging and I want to take my camera off of my tripod. I have to sit there and unscrew it and then get back to my vlog. So that's this tripod. If you're a small creator, I do suggest you start out with this one, only if your camera is 2.2 pounds or less. It's pretty much for vlogging cameras, not for your big DSLR cameras. Now, my new tripod that I got actually during the Black Friday sale is my new Joby 3K kit tripod, and it actually came with this thing. It's actually for your phone. You could use it and screw it on there and put your phone and film your videos or make your thumbnails or anything. I like this because when I purchased my original tripod, it did not come with that. Now they sell the 1K kit with this in it. as well as the 3K kit, and that's something that I wish they had when I purchased that tripod in 2019, but I'm glad they updated and upgraded for you creators. Now, I absolutely love this tripod. Now, if you can't tell, the ball heads and the grips on this one are much bigger. This is actually a little taller. And this tripod holds devices up to 6.6 pounds. It's a flexible mini tripod with an aluminum ball head. It has a quick release clip and it's slightly larger than the 1K. Now, there are a few things that I love about this tripod. Yes, it's bigger, so you have a larger grip. My hands are really small. I was born premature and I'm really tiny. I'm only 5 feet. My hands are small because they're proportionate to my body, so wrapping them around this tripod, it feels a lot different than wrapping them around my 1K. Can you tell the difference? I know I can feel the difference, but I like it like that because it's easier for me. I feel like I have a lot better grip with this, and I really like that about it. This tripod has, like I talked about, has a quick release clip, so you can twist or screw your camera on this tripod. But also, let's say you're in the middle of a vlog and you want to take your camera off to go film something else. You do not have to completely unscrew your camera. Once your camera is screwed onto this tripod, all you have to do is press this button on the side and your camera will come off. So your camera will be over here, and when you want to put it back, all you have to do, click it back on there. I absolutely love that feature, and I feel like my camera is a lot more stable with this on it because the ball head is aluminum. It's not made out of plastic like the 1K. So if you are a small creator, and let's say you want to start off with the 3K, that's perfectly fine. If you want to start off with the 1K and upgrade later to the 3K, that's perfectly fine, whatever your combination is. But I do love this tripod. Currently, like I said, I am using a tripod that came with my ring lights, and it's a very unstable tripod. I had to get my mouse pad, flip it upside down, and stand it on there because it was literally falling all over the place. But if you want to purchase your Joby 1K or 3K tripod, or whatever tripod that you would like to purchase from Joby, my affiliate and partner link will be in the description as always. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you already have a Joby 1K or 3K, please comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!